Hello, everybody. Let me introduce you to my new friend from high school, Chris. Chris is from New York. He can play golf as good as Tiger Woods. He also likes wrestling. He's calm, but please make sure you don't get him angry. He has also some origins from Hamburg, which is one of my favorite cities in Germany. And you will find him here going often to the gym, playing basketball or anything else. And he's going to take also calculus, French, golf, and this class. So, please, this is Chris.
I'd like to introduce Pano. Pano has led one of the most incredible lives I've ever heard. He was born in Athens, Greece, where he grew up and played a lot of basketball. He's a huge soccer fan. And he moved to Hamburg, Germany, where he worked for a while, and then moved to Spain and then America. He attended MIT, and then he moved here after he graduated. And he's been trying to complete his graduate degree. He needs 15 to 18 more credits by August, and then he can return to his family in Greece. So this is the coolest guy, Connor.